Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I need to share something with y'all about my Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video is a video I did not want to make, but I need to share my experiences with y'all, the good, the bad, and the ugly about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. You probably already seen the title. Yes, I am returning my Galaxy S24 Ultra back to Samsung for this one reason right here, and I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Now this video is not to bash Samsung or the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I still think it's a great device. It's been really good to me, but I am having one issue with it right now that I need to take care of, and it's on the display. It's not on the back of the phone. Let me take off the case so that way I can prove some things to everyone, because people are going to ask, do you see, look at the phone. You don't see any damage here, no damage there or at the top. At the bottom, the pen is still there. So there's no damage at all on this phone. My screen protector looks great. Everything looks good. The phone is in great condition, excellent condition. But let me see if I can get this to show up on the camera. Y'all see that line right there? Yes, there's a line. I can show y'all in a picture too, but there is a line in my display. It's not the screen protector, it's not cracked, but there is a black or greenish type of line right there on the display. You can see it in the app there too. And no, I did not drop the phone. I put my phone in my pocket at work, went to lunch, and about an hour or two after that, pulled it out again, and I was looking at watching a video, and I seen that line, and I'm like, I thought I had a crack in my screen, and like in the display itself, I mean the screen protector, and no, it is a black line in the display. I brought it to where Samsung told me, and they told me I had to send it back to Samsung because they couldn't get the parts to fix the display, so I have to return my Galaxy S24 Ultra back to Samsung and wait for them to fix it. This is where Apple wins. My daughter cracked the back of her screen. I think the camera flash was cracked or something. She went to Apple today at the same time, and now her phone is already fixed. Well, mine still has the line. I have to wait for them to send me a box to get the phone fixed. So that's where Apple wins in that part. But y'all let me know if y'all having that problem. Do y'all have any type of issues with y'all display? Normally the display is beautiful. This is the first time I had any issues with the display there. But I wanted to share this with y'all. I don't want to make it too long of a video. It is just there. Let me see if I have a better picture. Hold on. So here's the blue, and you can see the line there too. It's just in the display. It's not going anywhere. And it's unfortunate. I mean, I really do love this phone. I do have to return it to them and then wait for them to fix it. I will keep y'all updated. When I get it back, I will make another video letting y'all see it, see how they fixed it, see what they tell me what was wrong with it. I just want to give y'all an update video on it, and I will let y'all know what happens when I hear from Samsung too, and see what they tell me about fixing it. And it's kind of sad, but it will be going away. I will make some more case videos before I send it. I have to wait for UPS though. But y'all let me know if y'all having issues with y'all display with the S24 Ultra. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more videos on the S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Join the BAM Nation and stay tuned for updates on this Galaxy S24 Ultra. Y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm out.